Hi, I'm Matt Ellsworth with Echo Incorporated. I'm here today to teach you how to safely clean your gutters from the ground using either a handheld or backpack blower. Gutter cleaning is an important part of maintaining your home. A clogged gutter interferes with the natural drainage of water away from your home. Bad water drainage can lead to fascia, soffit, or roofing problems, including leaks into your home. The weight of improperly draining water combined with other debris can loosen gutters and cause them to pull away from their attachments. A clean gutter maintains the value and beauty of your home, prevents water damage to your home, prevents nesting areas for ants, termites, birds, mosquitoes, and even rodents. Prevents ice dams in winter. An ice dam is when water flows over the edges of a clogged gutter and then freezes, forcing water into your home or causing the gutter to come right off your home. You should clean your gutters often to prevent accumulation of debris. Fully read the owner's manual before operation and have the right safety gear. Eye protection, ear protection, dust mask if the debris is dry and dusty, gloves, tight sleeves, no sleeves, or short sleeves, dry, clean, level ground, and a clear work area. A rain gutter kit easily attaches to your handheld or backpack blower and blows leaves, pine needles, maple tree seeds, and other debris from your gutters with a powerful blast of air. Fully read the owner's manual for proper assembly instructions. If the kit you're using has an adjustable top nozzle, angle it 30 to 45 degrees in the direction you're cleaning. Start the leaf blower following the directions in the owner's manual. Position the extension tube at a 10-degree angle from the side of the gutter. Slide the nozzle along the lip of the gutter, lifting the outlet nozzle up and over the gutter support brackets as you come to them. As you walk, debris will be blown out of the gutters. And that's how easy it is to clean your gutters. All you need is the right tool.